Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover customer satisfaction with Zendesk, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover customer satisfaction with Zendesk, start by identifying the root cause of customer dissatisfaction. Use Zendesk's reporting features to analyze customer support tickets and feedback. Look for patterns in the issues customers are facing. Gather insights from customer surveys and feedback forms. Create a focused action plan based on the gathered data. Identify key areas for improvement, such as response time or resolution rates. Implement training for your support team on identified areas. Utilize Zendesk's knowledge base to ensure your team has access to relevant information. Encourage team collaboration to share solutions and best practices. Set clear metrics for customer satisfaction, such as Net Promoter Score or Customer Satisfaction Score. Regularly monitor these metrics using Zendesk's analytics tools. Create a communication plan to inform customers about the changes being made. Use email campaigns to share updates and improvements. Engage customers through surveys to get their current feelings regarding support. Implement a follow-up system for resolved tickets to ensure lasting satisfaction. Encourage agents to take ownership of customer issues until resolution. Provide customers with proactive solutions instead of waiting for them to reach out. Utilize Zendesk automations to streamline responses for common queries. Evaluate the effectiveness of new strategies frequently. Make adjustments based on the results and continue improving. Document successful recovery strategies in your knowledge base for future reference. Share success stories with your team to reinforce positive changes. Engage with customers on multiple channels through Zendesk's omni-channel support. Be transparent and honest about any ongoing issues and timelines for resolution. Reassess your customer satisfaction strategy periodically to stay aligned with customer needs. Celebrate improvements and recognize team efforts to boost morale. Commit to continuous improvement as a core value in your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.